Paano kung sinabi ko sa'yo na may ilang zodiac signs na haharap sa pinakamabigat na taon ng buhay nila sa 2026? Hindi ito panakot. Hindi rin ito tsismis. Pero ayon sa planetary alignments, karmic cycles, at astrological shifts, may mga signs na masusubok sa pera, pag-ibig, career, at mental strength. Tanong, isa ka ba sa kanila? Manood hanggang dulo dahil ang last zodiac sign ang pinaka-affected. At karamihan sa mga tao hindi ito inaasahan. Bago tayo magtuloy, mahalagang linawin ito. Sa astrology, ang malas ay hindi bigla ang kamalasan. Ito ay resulta ng Saturn transits, pressure, delays, karma. Eclipse cycles, sudden endings and revelations. Retrogrades, miscommunication, breakdowns. Long-term planetary squares, internal conflict. Ibig sabihin, ang malas ay lesson, hindi parusa. Why Pisces struggles in 2026? Ang 2026 ay may Neptune, Saturn tension, at si Neptune ang ruling planet ng Pisces. Ano ang epekto nito? Confusion between fantasy versus reality. Emotional exhaustion. People-pleasing tendencies amplified. Maraming paisis ang magbibigay kahit ubos na sila. Magtitiwala sa maling tao. Mag-stay sa unhealthy situations dahil sa awa. Astrological reason. Neptune clouds judgment habang Saturn demands boundaries. Kung walang boundaries, Pisces suffers the most. Lesson ng 2026 para sa Pisces, self-respect over sacrifice. Why Cancer feels overwhelmed in 2026? Ang Cancer ay ruled by the Moon, at sa 2026, sunod-sunod ang lunar eclipses na directly tumatama sa Cancer axis. Resulta nito, family karma resurfacing. Old wounds reopening. Emotional responsibilities multiplying. Cancer will feel obligated kahit masakit. Guilty kapag inuuna ang sarili. Drained from emotional labor. Astrological reason. Eclipses force emotional closure. Cancer hates letting go, but 2026 demands it. Lesson ng 2026 para sa Cancer. You can love without carrying everyone. Why Virgo experiences career struggles. Virgo is ruled by Mercury, and 2026 features multiple Mercury retrogrades affecting career and reputation sectors. What happens? Plans collapse last minute. Miscommunication at work. Efforts overlooked or misunderstood. Virgo's biggest pain. Ginawa ko naman lahat, bakit hindi pa rin sapat? Astrological reason. Mercury retrograde challenges logic and systems, Virgo's comfort zone. Lesson ng 2026 para sa Virgo, progress doesn't always look perfect. Why Scorpio faces betrayal. Scorpio is ruled by Pluto, planet of secrets, power, and truth. Sa 2026, Pluto activates shadow zones. Hidden motives surface. Power dynamics shift dramatically. Scorpio may experience trust breakdowns, workplace politics, relationship truths revealed painfully. Astrological reason. Pluto never destroys without revealing the truth first. Lesson ng 2026 para sa Scorpio, power is knowing when to walk away. Why Gemini feels lost and overthinks in 2026. Gemini is also ruled by Mercury, but unlike Virgo, Gemini handles multiple paths at once. Sa 2026, too many options ay katumbas paralysis. Mental overload. Identity confusion. Gemini may feel Torn between choices. Afraid of committing. Anxious about wasting time. Astrological reason. Mercury's instability affects Gemini's sense of direction. Lesson ng 2026 para sa Gemini, clarity comes from stillness. Why Capricorn takes the heaviest heat. Capricorn is ruled by Saturn, and in 2026, Saturn enters a high-pressure karmic phase. This means delayed success, authority challenges, ego tests, heavy responsibilities without immediate reward. Capricorn may feel, "Ako na naman ang sumasalo." Isolated despite being strong. Questioning their worth beyond achievements. Astrological reason. Saturn tests its own children the hardest. But here's the truth. Capricorns who survive 2026 emerge unstoppable in 2027 to 2028. Kung bakit mahalagang panoorin ang ganitong content? Dahil ang astrology ay hindi hula, hindi pananakot, kundi warning system. Kapag alam mo ang darating, mas handa ka, mas matibay ka, mas conscious ka sa choices mo. Kung gusto mo ng zodiac explanations na may sense, astrology na hindi generic, content na para sa totoong buhay ng Pilipino, subscribe ngayon. Like kung may tumama. Comment ang zodiac sign mo. Tandaan, hindi malas ang 2026. Kung handa ka. Identity confusion. Emotional instability. Advice, hindi lahat ng mabilis, tama. Huminto ka muna. Unluckiest zodiac sign month 2026 Capricorn. Capricorn. Ikaw ang strongest sign sa discipline at endurance. Pero sa 2026, ang bigat ay sunod-sunod. Career pressure. Authority conflicts. Financial setbacks. Emotional isolation. Ito ang taon na masusubok ang ego mo. Masusubok ang pasensya mo. Masusubok ang lakas mo bilang tao. Pero makinig ka. Hindi ka sinisira ng 2026. Hinuhubog ka. Ang sakit na yon, tagumpay sa susunod. Final message, emotional payoff. Kung kasama ang zodiac sign mo sa listahang ito, huwag kang matakot. Ang malas ay hindi sumpa. Ito ay paalala na may kailangang baguhin. At kung wala ang sign mo dito, manatiling mapagmatsyag. Dahil ang universe ay palaging gumagalaw. Kung gusto mo ng content na talagang relatable sa Filipino life, mag-subscribe ay inig ngayon. I like ang video kung may tumama. I comment ang zodiac sign mo. At tandaan, hindi ang stars ang nagdedesisyon ng buhay mo. Ikaw pa rin. Salamat sa panonood. Kita-kits sa susunod na video.